What's up guys, welcome to one of the rare Xbox tutorials you'll probably see on this channel since I'm more PlayStation based, but I felt this was an important video to do as it's not simple to just stream your Xbox Series gameplay to YouTube, not like it is for Twitch, as you can just use the Twitch app and stream your Xbox gameplay. So this is a little bit of a different process, but overall it's very easy and I believe that you can do it. Just follow my instructions. All you need to have to follow along in this video is of course your Xbox Series S or X console and a mobile smartphone device. You will not need a computer in order to follow this method. I repeat, no computer required. You just need your Xbox console and a phone. To get this started guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is download the Xbox app and also the Omelette Arcade app. Once you have those two apps installed, you can first start off by launching the Xbox app, so make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account and that you have your Xbox Series S or X console associated with your account through this app. Once you have that completed, you can go over to the top right-hand side of the app and you'll see the notification icon, and then to the left of that, you'll see a little Xbox console symbol. Go and select that. And then you're going to want to select remote play on this device. So that'll be the top option. Select that. And now if you have your phone and your console on the same network connection, they should find each other and you'll be able to start the remote play session, which you see that I have done so successfully. Now you'll see the message come up saying that you need to connect your controller to your mobile phone in order to play those games via remote play, but that won't be the case guys. You can use your Xbox Series controller directly connected to the console and still be able to control it via remote play, all that good stuff. You won't need to connect the controller to your phone, so don't worry about that. So on that note, I'm gonna select continue anyway, and you can see that I'm on my Xbox on my mobile device. See, I can back out, go back in, and you know, that's proof that I'm on my mobile phone and I'm actually in an Xbox game playing Rocket League. So now I want to stream this gameplay. What do we got to do next? Well, let's back out of there and then just go ahead and launch the Omelette Arcade app. You're probably going to need to create an account or sign in some sort of way and then associate that with your YouTube account. Once you're all logged into the Omelette Arcade app, you're going to want to go to the bottom of the screen and select that plus button and then select Go Live. Go ahead and click continue. And then we're going to need, if you haven't already, associate your YouTube account with your Omelette Arcade account or vice versa, however how you would like to do that. So I'm going to sign in to my YouTube account, log in successful, we'll go live with it. Make sure that knob is checked off, set to the orange, so that way you'll stream to the YouTube platform. After you've done that, go ahead and select next. On your settings page, you can first select what game you're playing. So I'm playing Rocket League, but if you're playing something different, you can search for it and select it. Below that, you can describe your stream. So put in the title, the description, any sort of information like that. But we'll keep it at Watch Me Play Rocket League via Omelette Arcade. That's cool with me. You can set the quality of your stream. So normally it's set to auto here. But you can have up to 720p without the trademark, which is really nice. Under the description of your stream, you can also set your stream settings. So how loud you want your audio to be. You can also set the quality all the way up to 1080p, but 1080p you will have the watermark on your stream. So if you do 720p, you won't have that watermark, which is pretty nice. So we'll do up to 720p. That sounds pretty good with me, and it won't be too heavy on my internet. Orientation, definitely want landscape. Push notifications, we'll put it to do not disturb, and everything else is pretty good. Advanced settings are a little bit more specific to Omelette Arcade if you want to set certain things, but not required. And then no stream delay. And we look good to go. So I'm going to select done. And now all I have to do is select start. I have Omelette Arcade selected. I can turn my microphone on or off if I want to have commentary. And then select start broadcast. So there's my stream. I just found it on my YouTube channel page. And now I've relaunched the Xbox app to continue my remote play session. So now I'm good to go. I can stream and play my Xbox at the same time. Now we're just hopping into a game just so I can show you guys how this looks. But overall, it looks pretty good so far. It's stable. Can't complain about this setup, guys. Some of you guys might be curious what the delay time is between the Xbox gameplay and what's actually pushed to YouTube. And I'd say it's about 15 to 20 seconds of a delay. I know it's not the greatest thing in the world, but we are working with a free application where we're pushing a stream over Wi-Fi. Once you're finished with your stream, you can either click on the active banner at the top of your phone or go back to the Omelette Arcade app and then just go ahead and stop the broadcast. And that's it, you're done. Omelet Arcade will completely end your stream, so you don't have to worry about it being active anywhere else. Now, in case you're not satisfied with the quality of the Omelet Arcade app, you can also try out the Streamlabs mobile app as well as the StreamChamp app, though the StreamChamp app is only for iOS at this time. But these two alternatives are pretty good for streaming the contents of your mobile screen. As it stands right now, I honestly believe that this is one of the best methods to stream your Xbox gameplay to YouTube, as there is no straightforward way to do it right off the console, and you don't need a computer to do this method. Of course, I'd always recommend a capture card computer setup, but not everybody can afford that, and I understand that. So that's why I want to be here to help those of you out that need this. Thank you guys so much for staying to the very end of the video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the video with the big thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel with the post notifications on so you don't miss any future videos or live streams that I'll do on this channel. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.